or a little bit of a workaround, meaning we'll have to transform this equation into an equation that is similar or familiar to what we are what we are exposed to. Let's say kaning Gauss Legendre polynomial. So the idea or the trick is this: if we have the general form is integrating f of x dx between a to b. Since dili man siya negative 1 to 1, this is between a to b. So itong buhaton is this. So we have natay formula from negative 1 to 1, i-transform nimo siya. So nahimo siyang negative 1 to 1 ang limit, but naay mausab nga coefficient. So nakoy b minus a over 2 times the function which is evaluated now at b minus a times x plus b plus a over 2 dx. Okay, I hope clear na siya. And this can be converted into the summation katong right hand side sa imuhang integral up to n. So this would be wm, tapos naano siyang b minus a over 2 times f b minus a x sub m plus b plus a over 2 kana. So technically ato ang na-convert siya. So from this one f of x dx, nahimo gyapon siyang integral nga ingon ani. Sorry. Nahimo siyang ingon ani. M equals 1 up to n. So this would be w tilde. So it's a different w na siya. F of x sub m tilde. So the same gyapon na siya nga form sa katong kaganina. Lahi na lang ang imuhang w din and x. So in this case, ang imuhang w tilde would be wm or wm kana times b minus a over 2, where ang imuhang xm tilde would be b minus a x sub m plus b plus a over 2. Okay, so just use this formula. I-transform lang nimo ang imuhang original equation to this form para magamit gid nato ang katong negative 1 to 1 nga limit. Okay, so magamit nato ang mga coefficients. Magamit nato ni siya kani. We can still use this one. Okay, since na negative 1 to 1 naman iyang limit. Ang caveat lang is medyo mataas ang iyahang calculation, but not so, because you just have to replace the original x with x tilde and replace the wm with the w tilde. Okay? Are we clear? Okay, very good. So let's go back to our program kung unsa na siya mahitabo niya. So if we integrate x to the 7, or let's say x squared, balik sa x squared. So if we integrate x squared dx from 0 to 1, by using paper and pen, you would get x cubed over 3, tama? Between 0 to 1. Evaluated at 0 to 1. So this would be 1/3. Okay? So let's go back sa ato ang computer. Ako na siyang okay. And I'll be sharing here sa computer. Okay. I hope makita ninyo ako ang screen. Okay, salamat sa response. So, originally, we have this program. But since dili naman negative 1 to 1 ang ato ang limit of integration, na-change naman, di ba, from 0 to 1, or generally from A to B. So, atong buhaton is i-change na to ang x og w with x tilde and w tilde. Okay? So, mo na ni siya ang x new. So, your x new would be, unsa ito equation gani? So, your x new would be, unsa to? Wait, mo kita sa chat. Yeah. B, sakto, Chloe. B minus A over 2. Tapos, okay. Let me go back. So, you have B minus A. Oh, sorry. So, we have B minus A over 2. Ah, nakaman to siya ikuan, di ba? I think sa W to siya, Chloe. Ang sa X is kani. B minus A times X plus B plus A over 2. Tama? Then the W new would be W times B minus A over 2. Tama? Okay. So, kaning X, instead na X na siya, this would be X new. So, this would be W new. Okay? Did you get or did you not? So, let's go back sa kaning ang pag-run na to, ani. So, dapat ang x squared, ang result niya is 1/3 kay 0 to 1 naman siya. Nag-introduce man taog B and A, di ba, as limits. Ato siya ibutang diri, A and B, meaning the limits of your integral kanin sa function bitaw. So, if we run the sample nga program, okay, using n equals 5, and then evaluated from 0 to 1, okay, so the resulting integral should be 1/3. So, around 0.333. Sorry. Balik ta sa editor. Hmm. Oops. Ah, point once 1/3 should be, oh, hmm. Sorry. Sorry. This should be x squared. So this is 2. Okay, ang imong input man diya is m. So this is the degree. Ang kanin ato ang program, ang gi-fix nato, this is for n equals 5. N equals 5 na siya. Okay? N equals 5 na siya. So na mixed up. So this is x squared evaluated from 0 to 1. So the result should be 1/3. So 0.333. So you can explore on this. Pwede ka from 0 to, or pwede ka from 1 up to 3. It can still give you the result sa katong imong integral. So ang gibuhat niya behind the scenes is i-convert niya ang program, ang imong integral from general nga 0 to A to B to negative 1 to 1 with a modification sa imong x and w ng mga values. Okay? Nakuha ba? So next meeting o padayon ta sa kaya gihapon numerical integration na patay na bilin nga i-discuss which is the Gauss Legendre. So ang Gauss Legendre is mo to siyang uh, improper integrals, dealing with improper integrals, meaning integrating from 0 to infinity. So nanay infinity nga involved. So usaon na siya pag-handle sa computer nga dili man kaya ang computer di ba og infinite. So there must be some workaround para ma-integrate nato siya. So ma-touch na to na siya next week. And after think mahuman na to siya discuss next week, makapadayon ta until Monte Carlo simulation or Monte Carlo integration. So, napay question, comments, reaction? If there's none, then class is dismissed. See you next week. Bye-bye. Amping mo.